Welcome back each and everyone. Today I'm going to show you all how to make jerk marinade, and lots of people get the concept wrong when we said jerk marinade. It's the same thing as jerk sauce. Before I go through all of that, I'm going to say this. There's lots of interesting stuff happening on the channel. I show my season packet, and this is what my season packet look like. And if you want the seasoning, I'm going to also put the link down in the description with my email. You just email me and then I will just get back to you as soon as possible so you can have the season that I use. I will just mix that season for you. So before I get into the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because this jerk marinade / jerk sauce, it's gonna be the best. I'm gonna go through all of my ingredients. Scotch bonnet pepper, green onion, thyme, and oregano leaf. Regular onion, and a few cloves of garlic. And for my seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Pimento, and you cannot forget about the pimento. And pimento is the same as allspice. So if you have allspice, just use your allspice. All-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning, roasted garlic and pepper, and this season is real good. And then the Jamaican jerk season. This is the main ingredients. I always tell you to add ginger, so I'm gonna add ginger as well. And this is powdered ginger, but if you have the real ginger, you can add it inside there because ginger help tenderize meat. I always forget about the browning, and browning is just used for coloring. And in this cup, I have 1/4 cup of vinegar, and it's cane vinegar. Now I'm gonna cut up all of my green seasoning, thyme, onion, and green onion, and the French thyme / oregano. I am getting my blender set up, and I always start out my blender with 1/2 cup of water inside of the blender. As I cut up all the green seasoning, I'm gonna add them into the blender. I'm gonna start out with the green onion. Followed by the thyme. Just so my blender can handle it. And the oregano leaves is French thyme, and this add the same amount of flavor, just the thyme, but this just give it a rich taste to jerk sauce. I always want to get the onion in the blender first, followed up by the Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 of them. I'm gonna add 5 cloves of garlic, I'm going to add seasoning into the blender, but first I'm gonna add my 1/4 cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of ground ginger, a tablespoon of meat seasoning, a tablespoon of all-purpose, and a tablespoon of jerk seasoning. A tablespoon of roasted garlic and pepper, and a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. And I'm gonna add a few grain of pimento. Remember, You can use allspice, it's the same. I'm going to add a few tips of browning, and remember the concept of adding browning, you can add but you cannot take away. So you want to start out with just a few tips. 1, 2. If it need more, you can always add more. I'm going to place the cover on. Then I'm going to start blend. You always want to blend on low settings. That's the way you're going to get your best out of your green seasoning and your seasoning. Now my marinade / jerk sauce is finished blending. And this is what my marinade sauce / jerk sauce look like. I have some chicken that I'm going to season, and I'm going to show you how to get the best out of your jerk sauce. I have some chicken breasts, and I have them washed and I have them clean and ready. And I don't want nobody to give me backlash. I'm just do my way of making jerk marinade. And this is the best recipe you can ever find on the internet. I have some seasoning, and it's the same seasoning that I use in the blender, but I cut it down to half a teaspoon of powdered seasoning, all of them. Now I'm going to add it into the chicken breast. I added powdered seasoning into the chicken breast, and the original name for this is dry rub. So always remember, when you add powder seasoning, this is a dry rub because it's the dry ingredient. Now I'm going to massage it in, and I have my gloves on. Now I'm going to pour my marinade sauce onto the chicken. Oh my God, I can feel the scotch bonnet pepper already. Oops, it's kicking. I just want to submerge the chicken into the jerk sauce. And how to get the best out of the jerk sauce, when you marinate chicken and you make your marinade, you always want to leave the chicken for 24 hours, and it's going to soak in all of that jerk sauce into the chicken, right to the bone. I'm going to cover the chicken with the aluminum foil. Then I'm going to place it in the fridge. I love to make jerk sauce, and I always pass on my knowledge that I know, and it's been coming from generation. And this is the way you make marinade sauce. And also you can check out the rest of jerk video on my channel. I'm going to put them up on the side of the screen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And remember, this is the best jerk marinade sauce / jerk sauce ever made. Give the video all the thumbs up you can, and share with a friend. See you on the next one.